Today, we're unboxing the MARSRIVA Portable Power Station MP10, your reliable on-the-go energy solution for home, outdoor adventures, and emergency backup. Let's dive in and explore what's inside and how it works. First, you'll get a dedicated AC input power cord, a detailed user manual tailored to this model. Now, let's look at the control panel. This is the main power button. Press and hold it to turn the unit on or off. Next to it are the independent control buttons. This one activates the AC output ports, this controls the LED light, this switches on the DC output ports, and this enables the USB output ports. Moving to the left side of the unit, we have two AC output ports. These deliver stable alternating current, compatible with most household appliances, tools, and electronics. Right here is the AC input port, for recharging the MP10 via the included power cord. This section features the LED lights. Next to it is the MP10 solar input port, connected to a compatible solar panel, and you can recharge the MP10 using clean, renewable solar energy. And this is the cigarette lighter output port, a versatile DC port designed for car accessories and 12-volt devices. Let's test the LED light function now. A short press on the light button, and the rear LED light turns on, providing bright, soft illumination for night camping, emergency lighting, or dark workspaces. Another short press boosts the brightness for stronger lighting needs. Press again, and it switches to strobe mode, which can be used as a distress signal. One more press activates slow flash mode, great for night walking or marking your location. Press once more, and the light turns off completely, flexible for any scenario. Now, let's move on to the load connection demo to show you the MP10's power capacity. We have two 60-watt light bulbs, one 150-watt bulb, and one 250-watt bulb, two 40-watt smartphones, and a 100-watt electric fan, daily devices you might need to power anytime, anywhere. First, power on the MP10 by pressing and holding the main power button. Then, activate the AC output port with a short press, the indicator light turns on. Now, connect the light sockets to the AC ports. Let's turn on the bulbs first. Looking at the display, the output power is around 405 watt. Next, let's plug in the electric fan. At the same time, we'll charge the smartphone using a USB to Type-C cable. First, enable the USB output port with a short press, then insert the charging cable. For the latest iPhone 17 Pro Max, we'll use a dual Type-C cable. The phone is charging smoothly right away. As you can see, the MARSRIVA MP10 is powering multiple loads simultaneously, lights, a fan, and two smartphones, without any lag or instability. Whether it's a sudden power outage at home, a camping trip off the grid, or a work site without grid power, the MP10 keeps your essential devices running.